All right, sometimes you just have to get started all by yourself. So, since today is Friday, you all know what we do. We go and pick up a haul from Southern Crescent Ministries in McDonough, the food co op, and we take it, we put it into different boxes, and we distribute it to some families that need additional assistance. So, the first thing I'm going to do is open up all the boxes. So I'm going to show you all the boxes, what's in the boxes, what's in the gifts, what's in the bags, so that you get an idea. This program is a program that you're on a waiting list for. $130 a month. You get 20 cases of you never know what and a gift. Or they also have a $35 program and a walk-in emergency box program. But this one right here is the $130 a month program, and you pick up every Friday 20 cases and a gift. And sometimes the gift is more than the $130 that you paid for the month. And with this food, we're able to feed, we give it to 15, including ourselves, but it's really able to feed more than that if we had to. Some of the things that you may see before you say it, oh, that's not nutritious or that's junk food. Well, non-nutritious and junk food to you can sometimes be life-sustaining to others. And you can take it and mix it together, some things as well. It's totally up to you. But it's a blessing to the people that we give it to. And that's all that matters. All right, in no particular order, we have Flaming Hot Crunchy Cheetos. And it looks like it might be about 24 in there. We have Snyder's Twist Honey Wheat Pretzels. Ooh, that looks good. Whole grain, you all. Okay, and it looks like it may be about 12 in there. We have Cheetos Flaming Hot Cheddar Barbecue flavor. That's different. All right, you all, that red number 5 they're trying to get rid of, that will take the red off the Cheetos. Just wanted to point that out. All right, we have cold coffee, you all. And this is Colombian coffee. We have some Thermacell mosquito repellents. I'm not sure what's in that bottom box just yet, but I will let you all know. All right. On this side, we have some beautiful, beautiful bell peppers. So I am going to cut some of these up and freeze them for long term. And of course, we never ever throw out our seeds. Remember that, you all. So we're going to dry out the seeds and save the seeds for our own garden. I'm going to put some in now, and I'm going to save some for later. And then, of course, I'm going to give some bell peppers to each family as well. I was just letting you know what I'm going to do with mine. All right, we have Honey Bunches of Oats. I love this cereal, and it tastes good in meatloaf on the top, you all, as the crumbles on the top of meatloaf. All right, we have Doritos. You can open up a bag, put your lettuce, your tomatoes, and have your salads. I don't know if you all ever tried that, but it's salad in a bag, and you use the Doritos as if you would use the taco shells, or like a replacement of the taco shells. Lay's, what is this? Valentina and lime. I like lime. And Valentina, I guess it's the hot sauce. That's nice. All right, 24 of those. Some more honey twists. I didn't open this one good enough. The kitties that we give to are gonna love these. Marshmallow Mighties. Okay, kind of looks like Lucky Charms a little bit. And I think it's 12 of those in the box. We have boxes of seasonings. I saw these at the $1.50 store, you all. This one is bruschetta. Again, $1.50, $1.75 store. I can't keep up, but I saw these in there a piece. And then this one is tofu all-rounder. I can't wait to try these. I tried the other ones and they were good on beef, chicken, and turkey, and fish. Some more Mrs. Butterworth syrup, a whole case of that. All right, then on this side, we have fruit smoothies, the kinds that you would give the kids, but I also take this to work as a lunch. Let me show you the box up close. I take it to lunch as a healthy treat because it's a fruit smoothie. It has strawberries and bananas in it. So sometimes we just have to switch our nutritious snacks around.